Good morning, class. This is Mrs. Bhutan. We'll continue working with the video, guys. This is going to be our main way of communicating somehow in class, and this is going to be great for you and for me too. Since I cannot be in class, I think this is the best way for me to go over and explain to you guys. So today, what I want to practice with you is the conjugation of the er verb, the regular. I want to just you remember that these are the regular er ending verbs. Okay, endings, verbos. So the first verb that we're going to practice is the verb comer, which is to eat. Comer means to eat. And this is how we're conjugating. Don't forget, guys, that we keep the root of the word, and then what do is we somehow kind of remove the ending. So that's how we conjugate. So let's start with comer, and for the yo form, we know that the ending for yo is o. So what do I do here is when I conjugate the yo form is I keep the root of the word, and then I add the ending for the subject. For yo is o. For tú is tú comes is es. For él, ella, usted is e, which is come in this case. For nosotros is comemos with the hemos ending. Then we have for vosotros is coméis. Eis is the ending, coméis. For ellos, ellas is comen. And pretty much this is the conjugation of the er. In this case, we conjugated the verb comer. Thank you.